In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create branching forms in Jotform using Claude AI. Start by going to Jotform and logging into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, open Claude AI in your browser as well. You will be using both tools together, so it helps to keep them easily accessible. Before generating the form, take a moment to define your branching logic goal. Decide how you want the form to behave based on the answers a user gives. For example, you may want one set of questions to appear for one answer and a different set to appear for another. This makes the form more useful and keeps the experience clean for the person filling it out. Next, in Claude AI, enter this prompt exactly. Create a branching form directly in my Jotform account with conditional logic that shows or hides questions based on user responses. Include multiple paths and keep it clean and user-friendly. After Claude AI generates the form, return to Jotform and locate the new form in your account. Open it and review the overall structure. Check whether the form includes the sections, questions, and logic you need. If necessary, refine the setup using Jotform's Condition Builder. This is where you can adjust the logic to show or hide fields, skip pages, or calculate values based on user responses. Fine-tuning this part is important because it ensures the branching works the way you intended. Now add the main branching questions. These are usually multiple choice, single choice, or drop-down fields that guide users down different paths. Make sure each branching question clearly leads into the next relevant section. Once the logic is in place, arrange the form so that related questions stay grouped together. A logical flow will make the form easier to complete and easier to manage later. After that, customize the form by editing the field labels, adding short instructions, and marking any required questions. Then open the form settings and adjust anything else you need, such as email notifications, autoresponders, or integrations with other tools. These settings help automate what happens after someone submits the form. Before publishing, preview the form and test every possible path. Go through the form several times using different answers so you can confirm that every condition works correctly and no sections appear at the wrong time. When everything looks good, publish the form and share it using the direct link or the embed option. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.